Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two gaming platforms, which is GearUP Booster and ExitLag. Let's quickly dive into it. So talking about GearUP Booster is designed for gamers who want smoother connection across PC, mobile and even consoles. It offers features like adaptive routing and is about looking to help reduce lag and stabilize ping. The flexibility across platforms makes it appealing for players who games on multiple devices. On the downside, performance can be inconsistent depending on your region and SIP, and many of the best tools require a paid plan. Talking about ExitLag, meanwhile, focus mainly on strictly on PC and shines with advanced routing and multi-path optimization and a massive gaming library. It's highly reliable for competitive play, but it doesn't support console or mobile. So in conclusion, GearUP is more versatile, but ExitLag is the better pick for serious PC gamers. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.